Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, I have an interesting idea that I want to point out to you guys. Right, so we're not going to really look at an FX pair, but today we're going to be looking at gold. Right, so it's XAU USD. So the gold is very interesting. Alright, we have price on an ascending trendline support. Right, if we were to take the recent low from here and try to touch as many candles as possible without cutting the candle bodies. Alright, green color for support. Okay, we see that price tapped once, twice, and a third time. Right, and if we were to do a retracement of the last movement from the low to the high and open all Fibonacci ratios, we see that price reacted at the 50 and possibly even the 61%. Right, so it retraced, extended to the 61.8, and it looks to be pushing higher. Right, so if anything, we can have our support at this low over here. Alright, I'm just going to put, and of course our first take profit on the daily will be at this recent high here. Alright, this will be the daily take profit. Of course, if you guys want to play a longer swing trade, you can always play right to the top over here, okay, or the closing price over here in close. Alright, a very nice resistance level. Right, so that's the swing target, sort of a bonus, but let's go down to the lower time frame. So on the 4 hours, okay, on the 4 hours the story is the same. We can adjust this trend line, right, and just draw somewhere over here, and we see that, you know, the trend line is really holding it very nicely. So now we have our stop loss. We can use this as our stop loss, alright, because it's also a market structure. This can be our daily take profit. Alright, let's go down to the 1 hour to look for a entry. Okay, so I just want to tidy up this trend line. Like I said, I don't want to cut the candlestick bodies. Alright, we want to touch as many candles as possible. Okay, so with this trend line, okay, let's use Fibonacci retracement of the last leg. Alright, we see the negative 61 falls quite close to our daily take profit. Alright, we see that price could very well pull back to the 88, 76.40 region. So I'm just going to put an entry over here. It's going to be a bit tight. I'm going to zoom in. Okay, just going to zoom in like that so it's easier for you guys to see. So what I can expect price to do, I'm going to tidy this up. Okay, what I expect price to do is sort of pull back, alright, to this trend line here and then go higher. Alright, so we have our daily take profit, we have our stop loss. Alright, we have a partial take profit. I'll take it at this spike over here, but I'm just going to play a rise all the way to the top. Alright, so we have our partial take profit right at this area here. Alright, so I'm just going to highlight the 88. Okay, so we're playing in line with the bigger picture. Alright, so let's just keep a lookout on this. Alright, and last but not least, let's look at stochastics. Okay, so stochastics, let me just change the parameters a bit. Alright, the stochastic seems to hold very nice over the support level. Okay, just somewhere back it up over here. Alright, every time price comes back to test the stochastic support, we always see a bounce. Over here there's a bounce, comes close, there's a bounce. Over here there's a huge bounce, and over here you have a divergence with a push up after that. So here now we have a bounce. We can expect price to go higher. So thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day. I wish you guys all the best, and I'll catch you guys again. Take care.